She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So I recently did a hair blend video and I showed you guys how I achieved this color, and then at the end I also showed you guys what this color looks like as butterfly locks. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I created the butterfly locks. If you want to see how to get this color, check out the link down in the description below to the video on that. So after creating the custom braiding hair color blend, I'm going to create the spring twist hair using the skewer sticks. And I have a video on that already, so I'm just going to run through this a little quickly. But I'm doing the same process as I've shown you guys before. I'm taking a small section of the braiding hair and I'm going to start wrapping that around the sticks. And as I am wrapping, I'm also making sure that I'm twisting the hair so that it does come out looking like spring twist hair. I'm gonna twist and wrap all the way until I get to the very end. Now, when you're doing these, make sure that you're using pre-stretched hair. It's just not going to work out with regular blunt cut braiding hair. Now, once I have it all wrapped, I'm going to place rubber bands to the top and push it all the way to where the hair starts. This is to make sure that it doesn't slide up so that the twist is very tight. Now, I also did a few using just the color 613 just to give it a little bit of like highlight to it. Once I have all of the braiding hair twisted on the sticks, I'm going to dip this in hot water, or if it's easier, just put it in the sink and pour boiling hot water over it so it can keep the curl. And then I'm gonna let it sit overnight to dry. And this is what they were looking like the next day once it is completely dried. Make sure you are letting it dry thoroughly. And once that is done, I'm now going to carefully unravel the curls or the twist from the sticks. So then you'll have your spring twist hair. I will say that if you're using spring twist hair as it is to just crochet in, you want to make sure you are unraveling it carefully as I'm doing, because I just wanted to show you guys what the spring twist hair looks like. I will be separating these to make butterfly locks, so it wouldn't really matter if I was not unraveling it, if I wasn't taking my time to unravel it carefully, because I'm going, like I said, I'm going to separate it anyways. But since I wanted to show you guys what the spring twist hair looked like, I wanted to make sure I'm not messing up this curl pattern. So, okay, well, so once I have completely unraveled it, I'm just going to carefully slide it off of the stick. And that little hole where the stick was, that's going to be the loop that you can use if you're wanting to crochet it in. So this is what the spring twist hair will look like. This is great if you're wanting to do your own custom color spring twist hair. And especially if you wanted to create your own custom color butterfly locks, which I'm now going to show you how I did that here. As I was telling you guys, it wouldn't have mattered if I would have messed up the curls, because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up this spring twist hair. And then once I have it open, I'm just going to split it in two just to make it fluffy. I'm going to show you guys how I did the butterfly locks on this mannequin head here with the 3 Straight brand. And then I'm also going to show you guys after that how I did the butterfly locks for just crochet, so it's not on the mannequin head. So be sure to stick stick around so you guys can see that. And I'm just going to let you guys watch that one all the way through. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys are blessed. Stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. Bye, guys.